Have you ever wondered about the rules governing porta potties on construction sites in Washington, D.C.? Understanding the regulations can save you from costly fines and ensure worker satisfaction. In Washington, D.C., porta potties are designed for single-person use only. OSHA and local regulations prohibit more than one person inside at a time. This ensures safety and compliance, as violations can lead to hefty penalties up to $15,625. When planning for sanitation on construction sites, a key rule from OSHA states one toilet facility is required for every 20 workers. This is based on peak workforce size, not average daily attendance. Proper planning is critical, as higher demand occurs during shift changes. The capacity of a porta potty involves three aspects: physical limits, waste tank volume, and service intervals. Typically, a standard porta potty holds 60-70 gallons, serving around 200,300 individual uses. But service frequency is key. Units usually require servicing every 8-12 uses to avoid overflow. Also, construction sites must include OSHA-compliant units and hand-washing stations for accessibility. Engaging technology like IoT sensors can help monitor usage and optimize service schedules. To comply with regulations, your site must maintain a sufficient number of toilets relative to worker count. For example, with 120 workers, at least one toilet is required. If you exceed this ratio, you need additional units. Make sure to consider the project's duration, environment, and service frequency to determine the right number of units. High temperatures, mixed gender workforces, or long shifts increase restroom demand. With smart planning and compliance checks, you can ensure a hygienic site that enhances worker productivity while minimizing legal risks. Now that you know the essentials of porta potty regulations, make sure to assess your site's needs accurately. Protect your project from penalties and keep your workers comfortable and safe. Remember, failure to comply can lead to fines and work stoppages. To learn more about optimizing your construction site's sanitation needs, contact Immaculate Portable Restrooms today.